So we just took the Mazda wheels off. With the painting, just went around with a bit of a scuff with a scuff pad. Take the whole lacquer off with a little bit of a sanding here and there. Was a bit of corrosion. Anyway, this is not bad. This is easy. That's why I decided to do the easy ones first, then just leave the bad ones at the end. And I will see you later on with the bad one, which needs the tire as well. So probably we're gonna swap the tires, then start painting it and prepping it. See you back soon. Okay, so we just went around with 2 coats of primer. I'm just using standard primer, cheap one actually. Seems to do the job quite well. Is this one? Goes from the local shop, local paint shop, something did by them inside. And now we're gonna wait for it to fire. Okay, problem solved. Next stage now, I'll go with a bit of same with the dusting coat with this wheel silver, Mr. also. I like it because it's not too shiny. It's got a bit of metallic in it as well, and it's just a nice color, you know. It doesn't have to use too much lacquer afterwards as well. So anyway, it's cheap as well. It's like 5 bits plus VAT or something, and yeah, does the job really well. So the first 2 coats are on now. It doesn't look better. It's not perfect by any chance, but it's still presentable. That's the idea of it, to make it look tidy and nice, and it's gonna be okay for a year or 2 depending on the weather. So yeah, I'm personally happy with it. Usually the customers are happy with it. If the customer wants professionally refurbished wheels, they can pay for it, as I'm concerned. Yeah, let's get going, because I have another 3. I still have to put the lacquer down on this one, and then I have another 3 to go. Right, so one is finished. It came out really well though. Just forgot to cover the the wheel cap, but yeah, well, we're gonna put a new one on anyway. But overall I'm happy with the result, and yeah, one is finished, 3 more to go. Second one just been sanded and scuffed, so everything is fine with it. It's ready to be painted, but first I have to put the lacquer down for the first one. And yeah, just look at the state of it. Just look at the state of it on this one. Just horrible corrosion and everything. So this will be a really big challenge to do, but we had worse than that, so we've still been able to make them look presentable, as I said, to be nice. So yeah, let's get going. Good morning. So we are on a day 2 of the Mazda way refurbishment, which yesterday didn't go too well because of the body rain. It came over, so today we're moving to the mighty, very untidy garage. It's a temporary one anyway, but yeah, so we're gonna stay outside. Maybe the rain is not starting, but who knows. It's a bit cloudy out there. We did some work on this one. Still a bit of a sanding needs to be done, and scuffing and stuff, you know, had a lot of corrosion, but we'll see how we're gonna do at the end. These two are finished. They came out really well, and yeah, let's hope this other two, the other one is out, and get a new tire fitted, because the one we had when it was completely rubbish, was cracked everywhere. And yep, let's keep going.